please do not take advices from anybody. You're a very well-spirited human being. You are intelligent and you have great instinct. Only listen.
I don't know what to say to that, to be very honest. But all I can say is nobody else should mess with me.
So hello and welcome, guys. Welcome to Bollywood Live. Welcome Shivalika. Welcome Vidya. Welcome Farooq sir for a surprise visit.
Yes, I have walked into my own frame. Usually हमारी shooting में ice cream देनी पड़ती थी when somebody walked into your frame. So.
All right. Okay. Not. Will I get ice cream now?
हाँ.
मुझे ice cream
हाँ
मिलेगी.
तो मुझे basically हमारी film में क्या था एक rule था कि anybody who used to make a mistake, he has to feed ice creams to the entire set.
Wow.
So इन्होंने ice cream खिलाई है, शिवालिका ने खिलाई है, सबने किसी ना किसी को ice cream खिलाई है फिल्म में.
वो भी ठंडे इलाके में जहाँ बर्फ पड़ रही होती है.
Oh wow. Alright, so start करता हूँ मूवी के बारे में बात करने. Sir, I saw the trailer और मैं कुछ reaction दिखाना चाहूँगा. Trailer देखते समय मेरा क्या reaction था, okay? While watching the romance, I was like, oh. And after that, watching you searching for your wife, I was like, oh, okay, it's interesting right now. And watching you do action and breaking people's bones, and I was like, oof, that must have hurt, right? So that was my reaction during the trailer. So I want to know, sir, how the reaction has been so far from all around.
It's been amazing because incredible, man. From the background score of the trailer to the story draft in the trailer, the way he's just started everything. And as an audience also I enjoyed it. For the reactions of others. As in, like when you do something, you know whether it works for an audience or not. And as a movie goer, I really enjoyed it.
Okay, so with this is done, Spar, sir, I want to know from you, were you expecting this kind of appreciation from all around when the trailer was out, and how are you feeling now after this?
No, I just feel glad that the emotional connection that I had with this story when I first read it as a newspaper article, I am seeing that same kind of relatability and connect with people reacting to the trailer. So I think that's the best part for me. That's what I really appreciate that that's happening. So yeah, it's a nice place to be in, and hopefully the film also lives up to, you know, the trailer. In most cases, that's always something, you know, you wait to see. And so we are hopeful that, you know, the audiences get an enriching experience watching this film.
All right, Shivalika, a very good break for you right now. You know, you're working with the dude. I want to know how's the reaction been so far from all around, and how are people receiving you? You can tell me that.
It's been amazing. I think the journey from getting this film to shooting it, to the post, to the release of the trailer, to releasing the film now, has been an incredible journey. I've enjoyed every bit of it, from meeting Farooq sir and Kumarji, to meeting Vidyut, to having a little reading session right there where both of them are sitting. We happened to meet for a reading session and we ended up chatting for 45 minutes. And we read after that. So it was amazing to meet him, because I have always known him like an action hero and an action star, but I've known him personally on this project. And I've understood the emotions and the emotional side of him as well. Also, that he's a humble guy. He makes you feel comfortable within minutes. Not even a minute that I actually thought that I knew him since years. So that connect was instant between Farooq sir, me, and Vidyut. The journey has been incredible. This film was really, really close to my heart.
All right, Vijit, I want to know, it's an action thriller, romantic thriller, right? You know, I've seen you doing a lot of movies. I've seen you paired opposite girls and doing romance. But this time, what I saw, the romance and the chemistry between you two, was something really to look forward. It was fresh for my eyes. So I want to know, Shivalika, how was romancing a guy who you don't mess with? It's the top 10, right? The guy you don't mess with. How was it romancing this guy on screen? Tell me that.
I don't know what to say to that, to be very honest. But all I can say is nobody else should mess with me. That's all I want to say. Nobody else should mess with me. Yeah, I have Sameer and AKA Vidut Jamwal with me. Nobody should mess with me. In the film as well. You'll watch it on screen.
Okay, that's a good one. Because I want to know, how did you approach this romantic side of you that we haven't seen before, and how Farooq sir helped you do that? Because it's really fresh that we saw, you know.
Yeah, without a doubt, the credit goes to the director because it's his vision. It's him who wrote the story. He worked on it. He lived with both the characters of Sameer and Nargis. Um, his clarity was so much that it makes you feel very good. It's like a captain of a cricket team, and you just know that he's very good at what he does. You just start listening to him. Apart from that, we both worked a lot together. We sat on music sittings, not only about for a movie, otherwise also to just get an emotional draft. There's a song in a movie which hasn't released. So we're releasing another song this week, and Mera Intezar Karna. Every time I hear that song, my tears used to just start flowing, and that's like for everybody. And on the set also, we played the song. You just start feeling that emotion in you. So all the credit from the way the character goes through the emotion of the music, blah blah blah, has been done by him. The two of us completely surrendered, and that's what I think you can see it on screen.
No, but I'd just like to add for Vidyut, like I say, fortune favors the brave. It's been very brave of him to take this part up. It's been very brave of him to step completely out of his comfort zone, and like he's saying, he's surrendered. But the equal credit goes to the actors also for them to be able to trust and surrender, right? So it's always, in life, all collaboration is like a jugalbandi. And that jugalbandi can only truly be complete if, both the players are in sync, have mutual respect, and trust each other. Just like he trusted me, I also used to trust that he'll come every day very well prepared, very focused. He'll be in the zone. Nobody will be able to distract him. That he's given a lot of effort and prep to it. So I think he's also, Shivalik also, all these actors have taken this part really seriously and put in the effort to make it happen. It's always a two-way street. You can't it can't be a one-way highway, right?
Okay, so I want to ask you this question, Farooq sir. Is he a director's actor? And how is like having Vidyut on the set? How is the energy like when you have him around?
Yeah, Imran, I don't know how this is going to sound, but for me, this journey is very personal. For me, whatever I share with Vidyut today has truly been something very genuine, very personal for me. We have a bond beyond cinema also, I feel now. So I have also come back richer with a friend for life. That's how I would describe it. Uh, and I think that's कि हमने फिल्म तो बना ली साथ में, बट हमने एक रिश्ता भी कायम कर लिया, बिकॉज हमारी इंडस्ट्री में लोग यूजुअली कहते हैं ना कि यार काम हो जाता है, लोग निकल जाते हैं अपने रास्ते वगैरह वगैरह, बट आई फील लाइक Vidyut and me will be connected and bonded even if he's doing another film, even if I am doing another film. But for me, as we stand today, it's going to be very difficult for me to be on set again and not have him. So I don't see that as a possibility as of right now. The next time I'm
That's
on
not a
set,
big compliment. Thank you.
the next time I'm on set, he has to be there for me at least.
Wow, so beautifully said. Vidit, I want to ask you, this is your second film that you're releasing on OTT platform within a one month span. How much are you enjoying these platforms, and getting your movie released on OTT platform? And do you have, it takes away the box office pressure from your head?
पहले तो congratulations करो कि तुम पहली बार किसी एक्टर से बात कर रहे हो जिसकी एक महीने में 2 फिल्में रिलीज हो रही है, वो भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में, वो भी बड़े पर्दे के क्षमता वाली.
That's what I'm asking. No, that's what I'm asking. कि आपकी 2 मूवी रिलीज हुई है back to back, right? But apart from ये मूवी अगर थिएटर में रिलीज होती है तो we have a box office pressure on head. लगता है first day collection, first day response. But OTT में मूवी रिलीज करने का perks क्या है? क्या ये pressure निकल जाता है दिमाग से?
नहीं यार, तो हम लोग कल बात कर रहे थे यही शिवालिका, फारूक और मैं, कि प्रेशर तो वो वाला नहीं होता है जो बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए होता है. I'm talking about theaters, but with that pressure comes a lot of excitement. Because you're traveling so much, you're going to different places, there's a great trepidation in your body, in your mind, of what will happen. But इस समय वैसा नहीं है, but ये बहुत अलग सा प्रेशर है यार. मतलब आप समुद्र में तैरें और आप स्विमिंग पूल में तैरें, बहुत अलग अलग है, मगर तैरने का तरीका भी अलग है उसमें. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी एक अलग सा emotion है which I can't describe. I think it will take me a few years to be able to tell you what I'm going through. But pressure, not in a negative connotation, but एक अलग है. एक ऐसा कुछ नहीं pressure तो है.
So let me continue my question. I want to go to Shivalika right now. Shivalika, this is your first movie that will be released on OTT platform as well. And OTT is booming right now. So tell me, have you identified the perks of getting your movie released on OTT platforms? Can you talk about that?
मेरे लिए तो अभी थिएट्रिकल रिलीज अभी शुरू हुई थी और फिर लॉकडाउन हो गया. But in any case, I feel right now it's a blessing to have your film released in any form. That does not matter. We are just blessed that we have our film releasing during a time when everybody's films are either stalled or stuck in pre-production or during a post-production period. It's just a blessing to have our film releasing, and I'm just glad that that is happening. There's no better emotion than that right now.
All right. Okay. If you had learned something from being working with Vidyut, what will be the top most thing that you have picked up from him and you're gonna use it in your career? What's that thing? Can you tell me? And Vidyut, you can correct. You can also add something. Okay, if she has picked up the right things from you now.
So one thing that he had suggested is yoga for me. That is going to stay for life for sure from now. Secondly, I have understood he is an action hero for everybody, but he's got this emotional side as well. And there are very few people who he actually shows it to, and that actually really touched me. I saw that very different side of him. That is going to stay with me for a very long time. Third thing, fitness. I think I need to start considering fitness very seriously after I've seen him work out. That's it. These three major things.
All right, Vidyut, if you had to give Shivalika one advice that to be in this industry and to look forward to his future, her future, what will be that tip that you want to give her?
That please do not take advices from anybody. You're a very well-spirited human being. You are intelligent and you have great instinct. Only listen.
All right, that's very sweet of you. So thank you so much, guys. That was my time. Best of luck for the movie, and I hope to see the movie very soon. And I'm sure I'm gonna like it. And looking forward to talking to you guys again.
Thank you, brother.
Thank
God
you
bless
so
you.
much.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
You too.
Bye-bye. Bye, Shivalika.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.